Yes guys, it's your boy here again, Henny TV, and welcome to another video. Well, in this video we're going to be talking about free ways to make $100 a day online in 2020. Of course, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and of course leave the video with a like to help the channel out. And if you've got any questions related about money and stuff like that, just leave them down in the comments below. Number one way to make $100 a day in 2020 is through Fiverr.com. So if you haven't heard of Fiverr.com in 2020, well, Fiverr.com is a place where a lot of people, you buy services, and maybe you're somebody, you shot a lot of videos and you need an editor. You can just go to Fiverr.com, they'll get you sorted out. Or you need a logo design, or maybe you want somebody to write you a press release, and so on and so forth. There's so many things. Even architects are on Fiverr.com. If you know how to edit pictures, edit videos, if you know how to write, if you can do voiceovers, and just so many things you can do on Fiverr.com. You can just go to Fiverr.com, sign up there, sign up as someone who you're someone providing services to other people. Of course, there's something you do not want to do. You don't want to start charging $100 off the bat. You want to charge low prices to start with, get a couple reviews, and as time goes on, you keep raising your prices. But if you are doing a good job and you're doing your job in a timely manner, I'll assure you 100% that within a couple months or so, you should be able to make at least $100 a day through Fiverr.com. Number two on this list is going to be through trading. So trading is one of the ways, honestly, you can make $100 with even a small amount of money. For example, even Forex, you can use, even if you have like $200, $300 or $500 in Forex, you have a very good strategy, and you know how to manage your money. It's no like rocket science, but with patience and all that, you can build up to that point. So trading, obviously, yes. Through Forex, it's even more easier because you don't have PDT rule, so you can literally hit that target every single day. But if you are trading like stocks and all that, of course, if your account is less than $25,000, you have a PDT rule. And for those who don't know what PDT rule is a pattern day trader. So it's a way the US government placed a restriction saying that, okay, if you do not have over $25,000, it means you're more open to risk in the market. So they reduce the amount of round trips trade you can do in a week to 3. So you can only buy and sell the same day like 3 times in a week. After that, your account is restricted till the next week. So Forex is of course easier because you can get into as many trades as you want. Number 3 of the list is actually through YouTube. And no, I don't mean just picking up the camera and start recording and start posting videos. What you can do is reposting non-copyrighted content. For example, like bikers rage, headshots of Call of Duty, or even you can post so many videos about so many things that are non-copyrighted. All you need to do is you download those videos that are non-copyrighted, make a compilation, and you pick a specific target, or headshots in Fortnite, or stuff like that. You can just make a compilation of all those videos and post them. And usually in most cases those videos are quite lengthy, and once you make them lengthy, people, like, once you post on a consistent basis, trust me, people will sub to your channel, and as time goes on, you get to like 1,000 subscribers, and of course you can start putting ad revenues and stuff like that in it. But those are 3 legit ways to make at least $100 in a day in 2020. This is not like all those scammers online who tell you, oh, you have to do this survey and this and that, you'll make $100. It doesn't work. I've tried it multiple times. It doesn't work. You're going to spend like hours and hours, and you get like 40 cents, and even the 40 cents you can't even get it because you have to get at least like $5 to $20 before you can withdraw the money. So you have to literally work for days for you to get to that point. But yeah, if you really want to make at least $100 a day, these 3 things, trust me, they work. You just need to put time into it, and you will be there in a couple months time. Anyways guys, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any other ways people can make at least $100 a day, post them down below. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please leave the video with a like, and of course subscribe to the channel also. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.